Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday and welcome to your next week of STEM and technology. This week we will be doing Valentine's Day activities that involve STEM and technology. Today, our activity is called Valentine's Mail Delivery STEM Challenge. All right, let's get to it and find out what today's activity is all about. So Valentine's Day is coming up, and that means the Postal Service will be busy delivering all the cards and gifts to people. But how do those cards and gifts get delivered to all the different places they need to go? Some will be delivered by trucks, and others will be delivered by plane. Today, our challenge is the Valentine's Day Paper Airplane STEM Challenge. I will build 3 different paper airplanes, and we will see which one flew the farthest. So for my STEM challenge, here are the materials I used. I used 3 sheets of plain white paper, scissors, a ruler to do some measuring, a tape measure to measure how far my airplanes flew, and then I used some stickers and markers just to decorate my airplanes. So first you're going to see me build my 3 different airplanes. All right. Now that you saw me build all 3 airplanes, you're going to do some predicting, similar to what we did when we did our sled STEM challenge. You're going to predict which airplane you think is going to fly the farthest. Will it be airplane number 1? For airplane number 1, I just used 1 sheet of white paper and I did not make any changes to the paper. Here's airplane 2. So for airplane 2, I took the sheet of paper and cut it into a square. And then for airplane 3, I took a sheet of paper and just cut it into kind of a more narrow rectangle. So this is what this plane is made out of. All right, so predict, which airplane do you think flew the farthest when I tested them? Airplane 1, which was just 1 sheet of paper. Airplane 2, which was just 1 sheet of paper cut into a square. Or airplane 3, which was just 1 sheet of paper cut into a smaller rectangle. Next, I tested the 3 airplanes and measured how far they traveled. So why do you think airplane 1 flew the farthest? Well, when you're making a paper airplane, you want to make sure it's balanced and that there isn't more weight in the front or the sides. You don't want it to be heavier in the front. That will slow it down. So you could see my second two planes did not fly as far and they kind of flew crooked. The first plane flew the straightest and fastest. So that plane must have been the most balanced and had the weight kind of even and equal throughout the plane. So if you try making a paper airplane, try to make sure you have it balanced and don't have too much weight in the front or on the sides. All right, for your activity today in Seesaw, click Add Response, find your name on the list, and this is similar to what we did with the sled STEM activity that we did a few weeks ago. So you're going to tell me which plane you predicted would fly the farthest, and then you're going to circle which plane actually did fly the farthest in the video. So go down to the bottom and select the pen or marker tool and pick your color you're going to use to draw your circles. All right, which plane did you predict would fly the farthest? I actually thought it was going to be plane 3, but I'm not going to tell you which plane flew the farthest because hopefully you watched the video and you know what the answer was. So after you circle which plane actually did fly the farthest, you're going to press the green check mark and submit your assignment to me. All right, boys and girls, I hope you had fun doing the Valentine's Day Mail STEM Challenge, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.